You're listening to the BizNews Power Hour, brought to you by the team at biznews.com.
BrightRock believes that with every change in life comes opportunity, and the markets aren't any different. The daily movement in the markets mean change for us all, sometimes small, sometimes big. This daily market report is made just for you by BrightRock, the first ever needs-meshed life insurance that changes as your life changes.
And that's the cue for my colleague Justin Rowe Roberts.
The JSE All Share Index was flat today, but it was far from boring at 67,700. In the currency markets, the rand was weaker against all the major currencies to 13 rand 62 to the dollar, 19 rand 27 to the pound, and 16 rand 59 to the euro. Gold is trading at $1,892 an ounce. Brent crude is up at $73 a barrel. A Kruger rand will put you back approximately 27,000 rand, and Bitcoin is trading at 516,000 rand per coin. If I have to look at the major moves for the day, the Foschini Group, they came out with results very interesting. 5% down at the beginning of the day in the morning session, up 3.5%. That's a 10-day intraday swing. Very interesting there. Vukile keeping up good momentum.
Just hold on to Foschini Group. That's a huge swing, 8% in the day. Do you think analysts initially panicked and then did a closer look at the numbers and said, hang on, this isn't so bad?
It's so tough to say, Alec, because for a nearly 50 billion rand company, it's huge. A 10% intraday swing is a 5 billion rand difference in valuation. So I'm trying to comprehend what's happening there. I'll have a better look at it a bit later, but very, very interesting and one to watch going into Friday. If I look at Vukile, keeping up the momentum from the results yesterday, up another 3%. That's 10% now on a rolling 2-day basis. Some of the losers, Sappi down 2%, Nedbank down 2%, and RMH similar. If I have to look at the US markets, why this is interesting, their CPI figures came out red hot, 5%, all-time highs, Dow Jones Industrial Average, S&P 500 and NASDAQ, all about 0.5% up. Very interesting day in the markets, Alec.
Highest inflation numbers in the United States in almost 2 decades, and share prices go up.
Can you believe that? And this whole inflation thing, this has been the one thing that's kept markets going adjacent for a period of time, I would say. Now the figures come out red hot, 5%, expected 4.7%, and markets in the green. Very interesting.
I shouldn't exaggerate. It's the highest inflation in the United States in 13 years. So not quite 2 decades, but still, that's a heck of a long time. We also saw a good improvement for Sasol. You were talking about the hedging policies yesterday. Maybe, again, delayed reaction?
Very interesting, yeah. I think that Sasol price is just going up with Brent crude. The hedging strategy is interesting and it's something to ponder on, but markets obviously overlooking that. They lost a bit on the hedging strategy for 2020. 2021, the figures are unknown yet. It'll come out with results in a few months' time. But markets just brushing that off, and as been the what's been happening over the last 12 months, things are just going up.